Hey there, deal hunters! Looking to save big on some awesome kitchen gadgets? Well, you're in luck. Today, I'm spilling the beans on how you can snag some amazing discounts on Hamilton Beach products. Don't forget to click the link in the description below to grab your special offer. All right, let's dive in. First off, who doesn't love a good kitchen gadget? Whether you're whipping up a smoothie, brewing a cup of joe, or channeling your inner Gordon Ramsay, Hamilton Beach has got you covered. But why pay full price when you can save big? That's where Hamilton Beach promo codes come in. Now, these promo codes are like little golden tickets. Imagine scoring up to 30% off on that sleek new blender you've been eyeing, or getting a sweet deal on a coffee maker that turns your kitchen into a mini Starbucks. Sounds pretty awesome, right? But wait, there's more! These promo codes are super easy to use. Just head over to the Hamilton Beach website, add your favorite items to your cart, and during checkout, pop in the promo code. Bam! Instant savings. It's like magic, but better. And don't you worry about finding these codes. I've done the legwork for you. Just click the link in the description below, and you'll be taken to a treasure trove of promo codes and discounts. It's like a digital coupon book, but without the paper cuts. Oh, and here's a little tip from me to you. Always keep an eye out for seasonal sales and holiday specials. Hamilton Beach loves to roll out extra deals during these times. So, you might just find yourself scoring a double discount. So, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and click that link in the description below to get your hands on some fantastic Hamilton Beach deals. Your kitchen will thank you, and your wallet will too. Happy shopping, deal hunters. And may all your kitchen dreams come true for less. Remember, click the link below. See you next time.